This is the cornerstone that we'll be making today. I'll show you how to make this with 6 pieces of paper. Let's get started. I chose these 6 recycled paper that I don't need from previous artworks. First, I take one sheet of paper and then I have to fold it in half. And then I open it up and I fold the bottom line toward the center. And I repeat the same thing on the opposite side so that it looks like a door. Now I open up the sheet and fold the bottom right corner toward the first section. And I do the same on the opposite side, only the bottom right corner. Now I would fold the sides toward the center again to create that little triangle shape that we see here. And I would follow the crease to fold the bottom left corner toward the top. And on the opposite side, on the right side, I would fold the top right corner down to the bottom horizontal line to create a bigger triangle. Now I open up the top flap and insert the big triangle underneath the flap. Do the same thing on the right side. This one, it'll create a little pocket so that I can insert it in. Now it's going to be firmly stay inside. And I flip it upside down, flip it to the back, and then fold the 2 wings toward the center to create a square shape. As you can see, this is the square. And I show you the front. It has the X on it. And you repeat the same thing on all 6 sheets of paper. Now in case you missed it the first time, I will show you one more time in live action. So we fold it in the center, create half, and then fold the 2 sides toward the center. Now I fold the bottom right corner to the first section. And do the same thing on the opposite side, only the bottom right corner. Now I will fold the paper into the center. And then I fold the big triangle, folding the bottom left corner toward the top, and the top right corner down to the bottom. Now I have to insert the triangle into the center of the paper, like so. And I flip it to the back and fold the wings toward the inside so that I will have a square left. Now that we have 6 sides finished, we are going to place them together so that it forms a cube. First, I have to decide which one will be my first piece. I chose my blue paper to be my first one, and then I want my black and white to be opposite of each other. So as you can see, I place my black on the left and white on the right side. Now I have to insert the black little triangle into the blue square. You'll find an opening, you'll find a pocket. So we're going to insert the black triangle into that pocket in the blue sheet. And we do the same with the white. So this will become one side of our cube. As you can see, we'll have a shape that looks sort of like a cross. Next, I want my red and green to be opposite of each other. So I'm going to insert my blue paper into the pocket of the green paper. As for the wings on the green paper, I'll insert it into the black square and also the white square on the opposite side. So once my green paper has been inserted, I will use the red paper and do it the same thing on the opposite side. But be careful, you want to insert it in the right pocket. This is not the right pocket. You want to make sure that the red one has the wings on the side that inserts into the white and black, like this. Now we should have one more space for the last sheet of paper to place there. Again, make sure that the wings should be going into the red and green, and then the black and white paper should be going into the yellow. We make sure that the wings would be fitting into the sides first, and then inserting the last two pieces into the yellow one. You might have to bend the paper a little bit for you to insert the last piece in. Be careful not to make a fold on the paper. Once everything has been inserted, I want to make sure and firmly make sure that the triangles are inserted. And here is our colorful cube, and it becomes the cornerstone of this house. As you can see, if we take away our cornerstone, the house would collapse. But if we put our cornerstone first and then build our house on top of it, everything will be very beautiful, just like this.